Hey guys, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up free shipping on Squarespace. The steps are very simple and easy. So without any further delay, let's hop into the video. So to get started, first we need to open up any browser and search for squarespace.com. As you can see, I am now on the official site of Squarespace. From here, tap on your profile icon on the top right and select Account Dashboard. Now tap on Go to Website. Now select Settings. From here, scroll down and now select Shipping. Tap on Add Shipping option. From here, select Flat Rate. Now type on your option name as free and then set your order fee according to that. Next, proceed to set up your shipping zones. And from here, select the country you want to ship your product. And lastly, tap on Save to confirm.